All right, so buttons. If I look at our warm up for Monday, we just had to solve each of these proportions, which is a pretty piece of cake. You take the cross products and you solve for them, is what we're kind of doing here. And so 12 times 36 equals 1 times x. 8 times x equals 1 times 100. 4 times x equals 16 times 1. And obviously those simplify pretty easily here. And so calculator in hand, 150 times 1 is 150. And then I would take 150, I would divide it by 12. And so x for this first one would equal 12.5. Then I could even take 12.5, I could divide it by 150 equals a crazy decimal of 0.83 repeated. If I took 1 divided by 12, I also get 0.083 repeated. 0.083 repeated. Okay, I can convert the fraction into decimal and they'd be equivalent decimals because they're proportional to each other, which means they're equal to each other. All right. Then this one right here, we would have 12 times 36. On the other side, it's 1x. So 432 is equal to x. Next, we have 1 times 100, which is 100. And then we would divide by 8. So 100 divided by 8 is going to get it. So x is equal to 12.5. Whoa. And then last but not least, 16 times 1 is 16. 4 times x equals 16. And so divide both sides by 4. X equals 4. That's an easy one right there. Ladies and gentlemen, these are solving proportions. I understand that means and extremes, and so the cross products will be equal to each other, and then I can just solve for that to find my missing answer. That was your warm-up from yesterday. La 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 la.